Fellas, tired of guessing where your beard line ends? Want a trimmer that shows you exactly what you're doing and delivers a barber-level finish at home? Well, today I've got something that just might change your grooming game forever. This isn't just a beard trimmer, it's your new personal barber. Say hello to the Wahl USA Pro Series High Visibility Skeleton Style Trimmer. Precision, power, and performance, packed in one sleek cordless beast. Let's dive in and find out why this might just be the best beard trimmer of 2025. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Raminmark, your trusted source for honest and in-depth reviews on the best grooming gadgets for men. I'm Ruhul Amin, a professional Photoshop expert and your go-to guy for product insights that actually matter. If you're into tech, grooming, and looking sharp every day, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Wahl USA Pro Series Skeleton Style Trimmer, and trust me, you'll want to see what this little machine can do. Let's talk design. Right off the bat, you'll notice the exposed skeleton trimming head. It's not just cool looking, it gives you 360-degree visibility. That means ultra-precise lines, especially around the beard edges, neckline, and sideburns. You see exactly what you're cutting. The star here is the black diamond hard carbon-coated blade. Not only does it stay cooler and smoother than traditional blades, but it cuts 4x closer than the first-gen Wahl trimmer. That's basically zero-gap precision, perfect for sharp beard edges and clean lines. It also includes 3 head attachments, a DLC T-blade, a rotary nose trimmer, and a dual foil shaver. You can switch between them easily using the thumb screw. One tool, total control, from beard to nose to neckline. It's fully waterproof, so yeah, trim in the shower or rinse it off in seconds. Super hygienic, especially when switching from beard to nose hair grooming. The rotary trimmer is also rinseable, keeping things clean and separate. Battery life? Outstanding. You get 2 hours of use from a full 2-hour charge thanks to its lithium-ion power, and it's USB rechargeable, perfect for travel or gym bags. Let's break it down. Pros: clear visibility for precision trimming, multiple attachments, waterproof and hygienic, USB charging with long battery life, premium build quality. Cons: slightly heavier than basic trimmers, 221 grams. Might be overkill if you only need light trimming. But honestly, if you're serious about grooming, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. If you're a guy who loves maintaining a clean beard style, sharp lines, and wants a reliable multi-tool, this is for you. Whether you're a beginner or a grooming pro, this trimmer brings barber-grade quality to your bathroom. That's it for today's review. I hope you found it helpful. If you're ready to level up your grooming game, the Wahl USA Pro Series Skeleton Trimmer might just be your next favorite tool. Check the link in the description for the best deal. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more epic reviews, and let me know in the comments, what trimmer are you using right now? I reply to every comment. This is Ruhul Amin from Raminmark. Until next time, stay sharp and stay stylish.